Imagine a world without GPS, without satellites, without even a basic understanding of the planet's size. A world where the Earth was believed to be flat, a disk extending infinitely in all directions. Now, picture a single man, armed with nothing more than a stick, his intellect, and the power of observation, unlocking one of the universe's most fundamental secrets. This is the story of Eratosthenes, a brilliant librarian whose groundbreaking experiment, conducted over 2,000 years ago, revealed the true circumference of the Earth with astonishing accuracy. Our journey begins in ancient Alexandria, a bustling metropolis on the Egyptian coast, a beacon of knowledge in a world shrouded in mystery. The Great Library of Alexandria, a repository of scrolls and wisdom from across the known world, was where Eratosthenes served as its chief librarian. Amidst the countless volumes, a seemingly insignificant observation sparked an idea that would change our understanding of the cosmos forever. Over the next hour, we'll delve into the life and times of Eratosthenes, exploring the cultural and scientific landscape that nurtured his genius. We'll meticulously recreate his famous experiment, examining the simple yet profound logic that underpinned his calculations. We'll unravel the mysteries of the sun's angle, the distance between cities, and the mathematical principles that allowed him to make such a revolutionary discovery. And finally, we'll understand why Eratosthenes' achievement continues to resonate today, serving as a testament to the power of human curiosity and the enduring legacy of ancient Greek thought. Get ready to discover the story of how a genius librarian, armed with a stick and shadows, measured the Earth. Imagine Alexandria, 240 years before the birth of Christ. Not just a city, but a crucible, a melting pot where Egyptian traditions collided with Greek philosophy, where goods from the Far East were traded for knowledge from the West. Founded by Alexander the Great, Alexandria had become the intellectual capital of the world. The Great Library, a beacon of scholarship, housed scrolls containing the sum of human knowledge. Within its walls, scholars debated, dissected, and dreamed. A thirst for understanding permeated the air, a hunger to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. This was a world where the shape of the Earth itself was still a question mark, a puzzle waiting to be solved. And in this bustling metropolis, a curious mind was about to embark on a journey of discovery that would forever change our understanding of the world. Enter Eratosthenes, a man whose curiosity knew no bounds. More than just a librarian, he was a true polymath, a geographer, mathematician, astronomer, poet, and music theorist. Born in Cyrene, modern-day Libya, around 276 BCE, he eventually found his way to Alexandria, where he became the chief librarian of the Great Library. Imagine him surrounded by scrolls, not merely cataloging them, but devouring their contents, searching for connections, and posing questions. He was called Beta by some, suggesting he was second best in everything he did. But perhaps this was merely a reflection of his broad range of talents, each pursued with unwavering dedication. It was this diverse intellect, this insatiable desire to understand the world, that made him uniquely equipped to tackle one of humanity's greatest questions. How big is the Earth? The seed of Eratosthenes' groundbreaking discovery was planted by a seemingly insignificant observation. In Syene, a city far to the south of Alexandria, modern Aswan, it was said that at noon on the summer solstice, the sun shone directly into a deep well. This meant that the sun was directly overhead, casting no shadow on any vertical object. This simple fact, reported in the library's geographical texts, sparked Eratosthenes' curiosity. Why Syene? What made this location so special? Others might have dismissed it as a local curiosity, but Eratosthenes, ever the inquisitive scholar, recognized its potential significance. He suspected that this seemingly simple phenomenon held the key to unlocking a much larger secret, the size of the Earth itself. Eratosthenes, confined to Alexandria, couldn't witness the Syene phenomenon firsthand, but his sharp mind found a way around this. He erected a gnomon, a simple vertical stick, in Alexandria and waited for noon on the summer solstice. If the earth was flat, like many believed, the gnomon wouldn't cast a shadow, just like in Syene. But it did. Eratosthenes meticulously measured the length of the shadow and used geometry to calculate the angle between the sun's rays and the vertical stick. He found it to be approximately 7 degrees, about 1/50th of a circle. This angle was crucial. It told him that Alexandria and Syene were not on the same point on the Earth's surface. There was a difference, an angle, that needed to be accounted for. But knowing the angle wasn't enough. Eratosthenes also needed to know the distance between Alexandria and Syene. Accurate maps were a luxury not available in 3rd century BC. He relied on the professional walkers, the Bamatists, employed by the pharaoh to measure distances for surveying and military purposes. These skilled individuals were trained to count their steps, meticulously recording the distance covered. It was estimated that the distance between Alexandria and Syene was roughly 5,000 stadia, the ancient Greek unit of measurement. While the exact length of a stadium is debated by historians, it's generally accepted to be around 157 to 209 meters. This distance, however approximate, provided Eratosthenes with the final piece of the puzzle. He now had both the angle and the distance, the essential ingredients for his remarkable calculation. With the angle and the distance in hand, Eratosthenes could finally perform his calculation. He reasoned that if 7 degrees represented 1/50th of the Earth's circumference, then the entire circle, 360 degrees, would be 50 times that distance. Multiplying 5,000 stadia by 50, he arrived at a figure of 250,000 stadia. This was his estimate for the Earth's circumference. It was a moment of pure intellectual triumph, a culmination of observation, measurement, and brilliant deduction. Using simple geometry and readily available information, Eratosthenes had achieved something truly extraordinary. He had measured the Earth. So, how accurate was Eratosthenes' estimate? This is where things get a little complicated. Due to the uncertainty surrounding the exact length of the stadium, it's difficult to definitively say. Using the most commonly accepted value for the stadium, around 157 meters, his estimate would be about 39,375 kilometers. The actual circumference of the Earth is around 40,075 kilometers. This means that Eratosthenes was only off by a few percent. Other interpretations of the stadium length place his calculation even closer to the true value. Regardless of the exact figures, the fact remains that Eratosthenes, using only simple tools and logical reasoning, achieved a level of accuracy that is nothing short of astonishing. It's a testament to his genius and a reminder of the power of human curiosity. Eratosthenes' achievement resonates even today. He not only provided the first accurate estimate of Earth's size, but he also laid the foundation for the science of geography. His work paved the way for more accurate maps and a deeper understanding of our planet. More importantly, Eratosthenes' story is a powerful reminder of the importance of curiosity, observation, and critical thinking. It demonstrates that groundbreaking discoveries don't always require complex technology or expensive equipment. Sometimes, all it takes is a brilliant mind, a stick, and a shadow. Eratosthenes' legacy is not just about measuring the Earth. It's about inspiring us to ask questions, to explore the world around us, and to never stop seeking knowledge. Eratosthenes' experiment, a testament to the power of simple observation and mathematical reasoning, proved that the Earth was not flat, but a sphere. His remarkably accurate calculation of its circumference, achieved without the benefit of modern technology, stands as one of the greatest intellectual feats in human history. His legacy extends far beyond the realm of geography. Eratosthenes' story reminds us that groundbreaking discoveries often arise from a relentless pursuit of knowledge and a willingness to question conventional wisdom. In a world increasingly reliant on complex technology, his work serves as a powerful reminder of the potential inherent in human ingenuity and the beauty of fundamental principles. Let Eratosthenes' curiosity ignite your own. Embrace the spirit of exploration. Question the world around you, and seek out the hidden patterns that connect us all. For in the pursuit of knowledge, as Eratosthenes so brilliantly demonstrated, lies the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe and shaping a better future for generations to come. The world awaits your discoveries.